I'm about to invite you into the next era of advertising, okay? Digital advertising is becoming extremely popular because not a lot of people can do it right in the Web3 space. There's a project here that is killing it. And guys, I'm super excited to give you this review. But please note this disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for education purposes only. Let's get into it. So it's alkimi.org, okay? Like I said in the introduction, welcome you to the next era of digital advertising. They are on a mission to transform programmatic advertising. Their decentralized platform has built to restore the value exchange for advertisers, publishers, and consumers. It is on the Ethereum network, guys, okay? Alkimi Exchange is a vertical app built on the Ethereum virtual machine. Now, talking about how it is tokenized in the advertising world, okay? You can see here little insights, very, very cool. They are pioneering the tokenization of the digital ad world. Programmatic advertising, an industry worth $600+ billion, guys, lacks transparency and auditability. The fix is Alkimi. So in this project, they have total transparency, all right? They will not leave anything out. They're here to tell you exactly how this works, how the money is prepared, how the money is shared in the ecosystem, and how the ad spend will work. Undergoing financial audits for 100% of media spend. Find me a project out there that does that. Okay, their ad platform built on the blockchain technology shows that every single transaction is independently validated and recorded on a transparent and immutable ledger. So it gives you that real trust factor. There's reduced fees from 35% to down to 3%. Okay, they've streamlined the supply path here. Alkimi Exchange also fixes everything on this side as well. It's built on the blockchain, ensuring that everyone is validated so they can use the lowest fees available in the market. Their emissions, guys, okay, they are cleaning up by drastically reducing the energy consumption in this whole space, accelerating your path to net zero with the lowest emissions. Now, they do have proven results. Guys, you can see here, okay, 212% reduction in CPM. They actually achieved an extraordinary number of 212% in cost of inventory for advertisers compared to industry-leading supply-side technologies. That's 3 ads. Let me say this clearly. That's 3 ads for the price of one that you would get in your industry-leading supply technologies. Now, 19% increase in video completion rate, okay, that's a VCR, while saving costs by 212%. It's even more interesting that they can increase your VCR at the same time. So guys, you got to hit the link underneath this video to get involved in this, all right? If you don't even want to make it to the end of this video because it sounds so good, trust me, that was my feeling. You want to get involved right now, simply just hit the link underneath, go on here, type in your name, your email, your company, and get in touch. So guys, there's your overview about how exactly does this work. So for example, they will take this here. You see these pop-ups that are so annoying. You go on there and you're like, oh no, get rid of these pop-ups. I do this every day. And they turn it into this. Guys, I can already tell you which one you're going to prefer, all right? You don't want these popping up, trying to catch them, like, get off my screen. You want it to be elegant. You want it to be easy. You want it to be nice to look at, like this. Guys, I would openly go on these advertisements. You see this here? I would openly click that because it looks nice, all right? So I'm going to show you an example of how this infrastructure is broken. So look at this. This is the current path. 100% advertiser spend, 9%, 7%, 17%, all these different allocations, okay? The current programmatic model goes like this. Advertiser to the DSP, to the DMP, to the exchange, to the ID, to the SSP, then to the publisher. That's why only 5% of ad spend is actually financially transparent. Programmatic tech fees are 35%, okay, which is crazy. That's according to the ISBA 2022 study. Digital ads contribute 3.5% of global greenhouse gases. Guys, the decentralized ad platform that we're talking about right now with Alkimi, this is how it works. Advertiser to Alkimi to publisher. Now, I know that sounds good. Total transparency, reduced fees, and the lowest emissions at all. Having a look at their Twitter, guys, it's at Alkimi Exchange, ALKIMIEXCHANGE. It's the official Twitter account, 31.1 thousand followers, joined May 2021 from the London, United Kingdom, where I live. And guys, it's incredible, okay? They're putting loads of different posts up of who they've partnered with, the prize pools they're giving away, everything to do with the Web3 community. Okay, guys, it's really, really cool. Get in there and just learn about this project. It's not just me telling you. The whole world is talking about this. I want to highlight this one tweet, okay? You can see here total snapshots of 7,827,805 with a total transaction of over 10 million. Guys, this is insane, okay? All the way from Jan 23, Jan 21, Jan 19, okay? This is insane, the amount going on here. Over 10 million transactions. This is literally the future of advertising. It's not the future of advertising is coming. It's now. It's here. So guys, if you're a business or you're a creator like me and you need ads running, and this could be that solution that we've all been looking for, so please let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this. Hit the links down below to get involved. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, guys, and I'll see you next time.